Hi kids! How are you all? Let's play a quiz on vegetables. Let's start. Name this vegetable. Correct, it's carrot. Can you name this vegetable? Superb! It's green onion. Name this vegetable. You are right, it's capsicum. What is the name of this vegetable? Superb! It's lettuce. Name this vegetable. Correct, it's eggplant. Can you name this vegetable? You are right, it's chili. Can you name this vegetable? Yes, it's onion. Can you name this vegetable? It's garlic. Correct. Name this vegetable. You are right, it's a sweet potato. What is the name of this vegetable? Yeah, it's a lemon. Can you name this vegetable? It's cucumber. You are playing very well. Do you know the name of this vegetable? Well done, it's coriander. Name this vegetable. Good job, it's a cauliflower. What is the name of this vegetable? Superb! It's broccoli. Do you know the name of this vegetable? Superb! It's pumpkin. Now, name this vegetable. Good job, it's a ladyfinger. What is the name of this vegetable? Yes, these are curry leaves. Name this vegetable. Superb! It's tomato. Do you know the name of this vegetable? Good job. It's corn. What is the name of this vegetable? You are right. It's cabbage. Name this vegetable. Correct. It's mint. Do you know the name of this vegetable? Yes, it's yam. Name this vegetable. Great, it's potato. What is the name of this vegetable? Good job, it's turnip. Well done, kids. You all played very well. Hope you enjoyed this game. Thank you for watching. See you again.